Okay, my YouTube family, my powerful YouTube family, how are you? How are you tonight? All right, so I just did a video, guys, about stress in these same clothes, but I needed to speak about the soup kitchen, the little thing that I had planned for Miss Darkie, the lady who raised the chicken for the Blessing Soup Kitchen. So I spoke to I did talk about getting a little donation together to give to her, only because I know her personal situation. I'm sorry. And we talk about getting the nebulizer. So I want to say a big shout out to Lady K from the UK. She sent $220 to the GoFundMe. I received $214. Again, every money that comes into the GoFundMe, they take a fee out of it. Let me remind us that. And so that was that. And then today, my dearest Jet, she donated $30 to the GoFundMe. I didn't see that yet. I haven't, I didn't send out thank you to you guys as yet. But if you watch this video, then I'm openly saying thank you for your donations. Did talk to my husband and he did donate $50. And so I did get the humidifier for her. I did pick up the albuterol, the box of albuterol, and another thing is 100 for the asthma. What I wanted her to do is that one of the containers with the saline solution, I told her to make sure she takes it to her doctor. I don't want her to start inhaling anything, but to bring them to her doctor so the doctor can verify them for me. I don't want any issues. A lot of times people, we become the good Samaritans, right? We say we're doing good, but then we get beaten like the good Samaritan did when he stopped and helped the person, and then thieves came out and beat him. So we don't want that to happen. I don't want to do anything to hurt anyone. Everything that I do, it's coming from a good place inside of me, and so I use as I said, Bev Brown's granddaughter, I sent her a laptop and she has a connection where you buy the stuff and it ships straight to them. They pick it up, they clear it in Jamaica at the customs, and then you pay them a fee. And I think for her, you have to go pick it up. Some people delivers it, but you pay a fee. You have to pay to clear the items, and I think a fee for them to do the work. So we'll see. I don't know how much it is yet, but everything was delivered, and so hopefully now we'll hear from them as to how much it will cost to clear it, and then I'll send that money down to Bev Brown along with monies to buy the cylinder of gas for the soup kitchen. Hopefully, as time goes on, my brother did promise to contribute something. He didn't contribute yet. My friend from Georgia, she promised to contribute. She was trying to do the sale. It didn't work out as yet. I didn't see any funds from her. But guys, I have my PayPal there. I really don't want funds to go to my PayPal. I'd rather it go into the GoFundMe because I want to be able to keep track of it. I have funds that I collected that were not on the GoFundMe. I could have sent it there, but they're going to take money out of it anyways. So I have those recorded, and you see the videos with the names and the donations and all of that. So the GoFundMe is always there. You can go there and check. So monies are coming in. I said one person has been consistent. That's Lady K from the UK's Sister Ernestine. That's your connection. That's my niece over there. She has been consistently sending. So again, food for the soup kitchen, any extra work that needs to be done down there, those monies go down there for that. The Western Union receipts, Bev Brown has them. The last that I sent, 150 went to IHS Ministries PayPal account, so that won't be, we'll have record of it, but it won't be, Bev Brown will not have a record unless, what's her name, give her that. But everything is transparently there. Bev Brown is the one who collects the monies. If anybody wants to go ask her how much she collect, then she should have the receipts there for every time she picks up monies. So that's what it is, guys. Just giving thanks, grateful to God for all blessings. And tonight I did the videos about stress, and to remind us we have good stress, we also have bad stress. And so we have to make sure we're taking care of taking care so that the bad stress doesn't overpower our lives and create all sorts of problems. Doctors are not able to even find where they begin or where they end. So for those of you who still want to donate, guys, again, the GoFundMe link is there. Just click on it. Just head over to the GoFundMe like Jet did, like Lady K from the UK does. But it's there. You can still donate to the GoFundMe. And I will put something in, whatever I get. I hope I will be able to match it. If it's too much, then I'll see how it works. But I'm asking, please, for a small donation to help support Miss Darkie in St. Elizabeth. Can't be good, be careful, my people. But walk good, do good, live good, smile a while, give your face a rest, raise your hands to the one you love the best. Then shake hands with those nearby and greet them with a smile. A smile, it costs nothing, but it does a lot to lift people's spirit. So take it easy, guys. Be good to yourselves, all right? Take care. Good night.